Do you want to become a successful YouTuber? Then know where to look. Uni Lifetime has the course that will help you to achieve your ambitions. Additionally, there are various programs that might assist you in pursuing your dream careers. With less than 50 Ghana cedis, you can enroll in video editing and blogging programs, graphic design, web design, and other courses. Simply go to www.unilifetime.com and begin your career adventure as soon as possible.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains your boy Papi. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back.
Back again with the USDT investment project. I'll show you one of the most straightforward strategies for making money with the cryptocurrencies like USDT in today's video. I will definitely show you the steps to take so that you may profit from the platform more quickly. To properly comprehend how this strategy works, please watch the entire video without skipping a beat. It's important you understand I'm no financial advisor and I only share the method that works for me. And if you decide to try this method, whatever you achieve or receive as a result is entirely up to you. The importance of investment in the sector of virtual currency is extensive. Investment strategies that make use of the special features of crypto assets can generate money. This is integrated core mining company that provides a micro investment plan with a 24-hour startup plan maturity and a 4% route. It runs on a system or automated system, and it has a unique first of its kind staking system. You must first create an account on the website in order to participate. I will include the link in the video description of the video. Your email address and login password must be provided on the registration page. Input the invitation code and click the sign up button to complete the process. Please use my invitation code if you appreciate the time and effort that I put into making this video. It was successful registering my account. I will now demonstrate how to invest and make money from this platform. But first, you earn daily free USDT as a thank you for joining this website. By clicking where the arrow is pointing and then tapping the sign in button, you can obtain your free USDT daily. As shown in the chart below, if you consistently check in every day, you are eligible to claim all this reward free of charge. You can invest as low as 10 USDT and receive rewards ranging from 4% to 50% of your recharge. You have a choice of 8 investment packages, of which will let you increase your USDT. 1 day contract plan with a daily income of 4% and a minimum investment of 10 USDT. You receive the both investment and the income after 1 day, which is 24 hours. 2 6 days contract plan. The daily income rate is 6% and minimum investment is 20 USDT. The investment amount and the income can be received after 6 days. 3 12 days contract plan. Daily income rate is 11%. Minimum investment is 30 USDT and you can receive the investment amount and the income after 12 days. 4 30 days contract plan. Daily income rate is 21%. Minimum investment is 50 USDT. And the investment amount and the income can be received after 30 days, which is 1 month. 5 60 days contract plan. Daily income rate is 30% and the minimum investment is 50 USDT. The investment amount and the profit can be received after 60 days, which is 2 months. 6 90 days contract plan. Daily income rate is 40%. The minimum investment starts from 50 USDT and the investment amount and the income can be received after 90 days, which is 3 months. 7 160 days contract plan. Daily income rate is 49%. The minimum investment starts from 100 USDT and the investment amount and the income can be received after 160 days. 8 180 days contract plan. Daily income rate is 50% and the minimum investment starts from 100 USDT. The investment amount and the profit can be received after 180 days. So in natural sense, the rate of return increases as the deposit amount increases. This is a reliable long-term source of income. I'm going to recharge 20 USDT for demonstration purposes and also show you how to invest. Right from the home page, I'll click on the deposit button and copy the address above. Then I'll go to my Binance account and transfer 20 USDT. I'll go ahead and click on withdraw. First, you paste the address you copied from your account, then you choose the network you want to use for the processing, which I recommend TRC20. Go ahead and enter the amount you want to withdraw, which is 20 USDT. but I recommend you add the transaction fees to whatever the amount you want to withdraw. That is, if you're looking to receive exactly the amount you want to deposit, then you go ahead to click withdraw. My request was submitted and I will need to wait for a few minutes for the transaction to complete. Finally, it was completed, so let's go back to my account to confirm if it's been deposited into my account balance. As you can see, 20 USDT was credited to my account balance, and the company decided to reward new and old members for launching following activities. Single recharge of 100 USDT will get you free 10 USDT. You will receive 30 USDT for every 300 USDT that you recharge. Single recharge of 500 USDT will get you free 50 USDT. Single recharge of 800 USDT will get you free 80 USDT. You will receive 100 USDT for every 1000 USDT that you recharge. You will also receive 150 USDT for every 1500 USDT that you recharge. So you get 10% of any amount that you deposit. You must contact the online customer service after the recharge to complete and receive the reward. Now let's go back to the investment page. I'm going to invest 20 USDT using the 1-day cycle plan, which gives me 4% profit by the end of the cycle. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video. Anyway, let's resume where we left off. To invest, click the invest button and enter the target amount. Lastly, click the confirm button to complete the transaction. After the cycle ends, I'll profit extra 80 cents and get back my 20 USDT as well. My capital and profit was added to my account balance after the cycle ended. I will now proceed with withdrawal. I will click the withdraw button, but first I need to set my transaction password. So I will click the settings and enter a 6 unique passcode, then I will click modify. Now back to the withdrawal. I will click and select a wallet to add my USDT address. I will visit my Binance wallet and click deposit to choose the network, which is TRC20, and finally copy the address. I'll head back to the website and paste it, but make sure to set yours to default address and save. I will now enter the amount, then enter my security password and click submit button to withdraw the funds. The withdrawal went smoothly and the deposit into my Binance account was also completed. Every business needs people to succeed. This platform has given you and I the chance to engage our friends and relatives. I earn a recharge commission of 10% at the first level, 5% at the second level, and 2% at the third level. So let's assume I introduce the website to my friend called Nancy. When Nancy deposits 1000 USDT, I'll get 10% of that amount, which is 100 USDT. Assume Nancy introduced her brother Enoch to the website. When Enoch deposits 1000 USDT, I'll receive 5% of that 1000 USDT, which is 50 USDT. Let's assume Enoch also introduced the website to his friend Samuel. When Samuel deposits 1000 USDT, I'm going to receive 2% of that 1000 USDT, which is 20 USDT. So I recommend you focus more on the invitation program since the earnings over there is unlimited. You can share your own links on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly share it with your friends and loved ones. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below and I will get back with an update as soon as possible. I will catch you on my next video.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy.